Evening everyone, Ian from DIY Home and Gardening. Just been making mojitos, and obviously it's, well, not obviously, it isn't obvious, but we're in April, and so the mint plants outside aren't really growing, so we've had to buy some, just supermarket sections. It's looking a little bit dry, but just thought I'd do a really quick video to show you how you can turn your supermarket bought herbs into your own product. So let me pan the camera down. Okay, pot filled with compost, obviously your sections of mint, pair of secateurs. So there's two ways of propagating mint, both of which will work pretty easily. One is a cup of water and the other one is the compost. So cut just below your leaf joint, strip some of your lower leaves off, like so. Pop them into the compost, where you've got your bigger sections. Again, cut it to just below where the leaf joint was. Again, remove some of the lower leaves. And say these longer stalks can then go like so, straight into your cup of water. So two different ways, both should be just as successful. Hopefully they should root quite readily, and then that'll give you your own source of mint. And mojito mint is spearmint, so it's not normal garden mint, it is a spearmint, so it's slightly different, but yes, let's get this last few bits done and then and carry on. Last piece done. In your compost, so the piece in the compost, just now they're in, give them a light firm around, and now that's how to propagate your mint for mojitos, two different ways. So I'll carry on filming once they've rooted through. Hopefully not very long. See you soon. Morning, I'm back. So, update time. Started the video 25th of April and we are now on the 13th of May. So I suppose 3.5 weeks? 3 weeks, something like that. There's the mint that we struck as cuttings in the pot. You can see all of them taken, no problem. Can you see that? Yeah, roots coming out the bottom. Here is the glass with the water in, taken exactly the same. So again, loads of roots. Interestingly, roots all the way up the stem where it's been submerged under the water, and that's on all the sections. So actually, I'll tell you what, let's, out of interest, and knock this out the pot. Let me lower the camera down. Got me interested now. Let's take this out and just break the root ball a bit. So that's actually a section that's rooted, and you can see the roots are just from the lower section. So it's funny, but in the water I would say we've probably got a better root structure than within the soil itself. Alright, you're going to have that slight transition from going from the water ones to adapting to being in soil, but actually in terms of putting on root, Come here. Well, I don't know actually, I'll take that back. So the one in Sol has a bigger capacity of roots, but in the water has got rooting higher up, so swings and roundabouts. Anyway, the point was, mint's easy to grow in water or in compost. Seems to do equally as well, 100% success rate. Give it a go, bulk up your numbers and grow loads and loads of mint for your mojitos. So thanks for watching the video, hope you liked it. Any questions, just ping them over to me, I'll get back to you. Keep subscribing, it's great to see so many subscribers. Don't forget to hit that reminder button for any new videos that I post and release. Most of all, enjoy doing your gardening, and I'll see you all soon. Bye for now.